Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name's Ardil and today we are sat inside this Mercedes CLA. We're going to be talking about the upgrade to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto via the factory system. The interior on these cars is incredibly dated, and especially with this screen here. So the beautiful thing about this upgrade is that you've still got access to all of the functionality that you had before in terms of kind of the vehicle settings and this original system. But it looks very, very dated, and also the maps are always going to be out of date, especially on this generation now, but always factory maps will always be out of date, just naturally kind of flawed. The way the CarPlay system works is really, really intuitive. So you've got the little controller that's down here, it keeps the original screen, and what we do is you do PT on media, and then it needs to be on the USB aux. Inside the armrest area, we've got the USB port, which is basically connected into the CarPlay box, and all you do to go into the CarPlay mode is you press and hold the back button for a few seconds, and then all wirelessly you've got Apple CarPlay as well as wireless Android Auto if you are using an Android phone. On here now you've got Google Maps, you've got Apple Maps, you've got Waze, you've got Spotify integration, you've got whatever it is you could possibly think of needing while on the move. And the really nice thing is that we've got all live up-to-date maps with traffic as well, with things like Waze, speed camera detection, all live on that screen. And you've got so much more functionality, and it's really intuitive. You use that little jog wheel that you've got down here, and then your factory system all works in terms of volume. Everything is then controlled via your factory system, but it just means that you've got so much added functionality. One thing the client has also added, which is a very popular thing to do, is add the reversing camera into when we select reverse. You get the moving active guidelines, as well as the fact a really, really nice clear image and the PDC overlay as well. But overall, a fantastic solution. Not only adding functionality like the parking, but also going in and then obviously having the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So a lot more functionality has been added into the vehicle via this system, and it looks completely factory as well, and the way it kind of interacts is really OEM as well. So if you're interested in having this same system installed in your vehicle, head over to our website. We do need a couple of pictures of the interior. The main pictures I need is of this screen displaying kind of how it is there. If you send over those pictures, a couple of other pictures of the vehicle that we request on our website, we'll then come back to you with a fitted price for all of this and the optional upgrade of that reversing camera. If you're obviously just after the reversing camera element, it's a strong recommendation to have the Apple CarPlay Android Auto fitted at the same time, because the interface box will allow the reversing camera input to come up onto that screen, as well as obviously giving you the functionality like CarPlay and Android Auto. So overall, a really cool little upgrade for this Mercedes, and if you're interested, we look forward to upgrading your car soon. See you on the next one.